We are learning that Tesla Model Y initial production begins in Gigafactory Shanghai and that LG Chem will supply Tesla Giga Shanghai with high nickel batteries next year. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harian from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. A recent flyover of the Gigafactory Shanghai complex has revealed that Tesla has begun the initial production of the made in China Model Y, reports Simon Alvarez from TeslaRadi.com. As could be seen in new footage of the expansive site, about 40 Model Ys were parked at Giga Shanghai holding lot, with each vehicle being covered with proactive wrap. The video of the all-electric crossover was recently shared online by drone operator and our Torque News friend, Tesla advocate Wuva, who has been following the development in Gigafactory Shanghai site for over 2 years now. In this recent video, the Tesla enthusiast noted that the made in China Model Y has now entered its production stage. The vehicle in the recent footage appeared ready for customer deliveries, as they seem more refined than the camouflaged Model Ys that have been spotted around China in recent months. Interestingly enough, the Model Ys spotted in Giga Shanghai complex were being completely covered in proactive wrap by employees, notes Simon Alvarez in Tesla Radi. With Model Y production now underway, Tesla definitely seems to be on track to start mass deliveries of the all-electric crossover in early 2021 from Giga Shanghai. This should help the company achieve its targets next year, which would likely involve Tesla aiming for higher goals than ever before. Reports have emerged suggesting that Tesla China is aiming to produce 550,000 vehicles on its own in 2021, with about 250,000 of that number being Model Y. In fact, speaking of 550,000 only in Giga Shanghai, we know that Gigafactory Berlin is aiming to produce 500,000 electric vehicles, starting with Model Y starting next year. So if they're starting the production of Model Y in the middle of the year or second quarter, and plus add to that the production from Fremont and maybe some production already starting late 2000 or in fall 2021 from Giga Texas, I think it's very well possible that Tesla may sell 1 million vehicles in 2021. Now, similar to phase 1 area where the made in China Model 3 is being produced, the Model Y production facility in Giga Shanghai was built in less than a year. What's pretty impressive, notes Simon Alvarez in Tesla Radi, is that the Model Y plant actually saw delays earlier this year due to this virus. Despite this, however, and despite its larger footprint compared to the phase 1 area, it only took about 10 months for Giga Shanghai's phase 2 zone to be completed. That was an astonishing speed. Last year, Tesla surprised the electric vehicle community by holding the first deliveries of the made in China Model 3 before the end of the fourth quarter. With Tesla now producing the Model Y, perhaps another employee delivery event may be in the works within the next couple of weeks. So please subscribe to our channel, as we're going to keep our finger on the pulse. If there is anything, we will definitely bring it to you. Simon Alvarez also reports that industry sources recently noted that LG Energy Solutions, the South Korean conglomerate's new battery division, will be a key supplier of nickel, cobalt, manganese, aluminum batteries, NCMA batteries, for the American electric vehicle maker Tesla. The NCMA batteries are expected to be utilized for the made in China Model Y, which will be produced in Giga Shanghai and apparently have already started producing. So in a recent report, the Korean Times noted that the LG Energy Solutions is on track to become one of the first companies to produce batteries with NMCA anode materials for electric cars next year. Tesla Model Y batteries, which will be supplied by LG's Nanjing plant in China, will feature a cathode that is 90% nickel and less than 5% cobalt. The NMCA batteries that the South Korean firm will be producing for Tesla will also be adopting a cylindrical form factor. Rumors about LG being tapped by Tesla as the made in China Model Y's key battery supplier have been around for some time. LG Chem, for its part, has declined to issue a comment about the recent reports. We cannot confirm this as we cannot specify the names of our clients, a company official said. And NCMA batteries with high nickel and low cobalt content are expected to provide the made in China Model Y with several advantages, says Simon Alvarez, such as long range and impressive performance. Pricing for the batteries has reportedly been optimized by LG as well, with the company bringing down costs by reducing cobalt and substituting it with aluminum. Compared to rival high nickel batteries in the market, LG Energy Solution may be a cut above the competition. LG has cited the work of Hanyang University professor Sung Young Kok, whose paper concludes that LG's NCMA batteries outperform Samsung's NCA and SK's NCM9 cells. Both Samsung and SK's batteries also have a nickel content of 90%. It is not just Tesla that will be supplied by LG Energy Solution. Apart from the Silicon Valley-based electric vehicle maker, LG is also involved in development and production of General Motors Ultium batteries, which are a key component for vehicles like the GMC Hummer and Hummer electric vehicle. As we have reported later, previously in November 18, Tesla continued build out of its Gigafactory Berlin facility. Some of the electric car makers' battery partners are also setting their sight on the region. Panasonic, Tesla's longtime battery partner, is looking to explore a big battery venture in Norway. Cattle, a key partner for Giga Shanghai's Model 3 production, is also setting up shop just over 200 miles away from the municipality where Giga Berlin is closed. Europe seems to be on track to become an electric vehicle capital, with the region recently revealing its intentions to roll out an aggressive phase out of internal combustion engine cars. As noted by Barron's, at least 12 countries are planning a ban on ICE cars in the coming years. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson even announced that time in November that a ban on the sale of gas and diesel vehicles will take effect by 2030. This means that all gas car manufacturers have to ramp up their production of electric vehicles. No wonder in the past week we have been seeing Toyota announcing new electric vehicle and a breakthrough solid-state battery, and we have seen even Subaru announcing an electric vehicle. Well, actually they're doing it with Toyota. So there's a lot of exciting news going to happen, friends, regarding the batteries and Model 3 batteries, and it's exciting to see that Model Y initial production has begun in Giga Shanghai and LG is supplying the batteries for them. Well, let's continue watching the video. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you and see you soon.